Information from the muscles and the joints is being carried to the reticular formation in the brainstem through the reticular tracts. So we must know how these tracts travel through the spinal cord and towards the higher centers of the brain. So over here, you can see that we have the ascending spino-reticular fibers that are ascending upward towards the level of the medulla oblongata. The hypoglossal nerve is present medially to this particular tract, and then we have the lateral reticular nucleus inside the medulla where the integration takes place. The nucleus of the spinal tract of the trigeminal nerve, it is present slightly lateral to this particular tract in the medulla. The ascending collateral fibers from here on, from the medulla, they take up the information towards the pons. We have the abducens nerve, which is present medially to the tract. The facial nerve is present laterally at the level of the pons. The collateral endings in the laticular formation, they are basically forming the consciousness in the individual. So these collaterals are again very important as the tract ascends up. We have the trigeminal nerve, which is present laterally at the level of the pons, and this is the ascending collateral fibers that are present. All in all, we have them present at the medulla, at the pons, and even they would be present at the midbrain. These are the collateral endings in the reticular formation. The medial lemniscus is again present quite interiorly to this particular tract. These are the inferior colliculi, and we have the tegmentum of the midbrain. So these relations are even quite important when you're looking at a particular tract, because damage to a particular tract can involve the damage to a particular structure that was present in close relation to it. So you must know these relations in detail as well. These are the ascending reticular fiber systems that are present. And then we have the oculomotor nerve, which is again present in close relation to it. So as we went through this particular fact, we'd be knowing the fact that different cranial nerves are present in close relation to the reticular formation or this reticular tracts that we're talking about. This is the red nucleus, and then we have the superior colliculus, which is present interiorly at the level of the midbrain. These are the ascending reticular projections to the intralaminar thalamic nuclei, and even there are projections towards the hypothalamus for further integration, and even a lot of emotional response to the different stimuli that are present in the environment. So this is basically an integrated pathway which is followed by the reticular fibers, and the basic function is to carry the information regarding the muscles and the joints towards the reticular formation in the brainstem.